Our next section is a call to action block. Let's select this block and start working on it. Select the next section block, go to the Properties panel. For background, select Indigo 600. Now the next div will be our container. Select the child div, click on Class Style Selector, and in the drop-down, select Container. Next, enable Inline Classes. Go to the Margin and Padding section. For both padding top and padding bottom, select 20. For both padding left and padding right, select 4. Next, go to the Text section. For Align, select Center. Next, select the H2 element. Here we can use the main title style, but we will have some changes to the classes. So we're just going to copy the classes and form a new class style. Click on the Class Style selector. In the drop-down, select Main Title. Here we don't need the main title style, we only need to keep the classes. So right-click on the main title style. Then from the pop-up, click on Remove and Leave Classes. Now, this block is not associated with the main title style. Let's make some more changes. Go to the Text section, and for color, select white. For transform, click on Capitalize. That way, there's no text transform. Next, go to the Margin and Padding section. For margin bottom, change the value to 6. Next, we have a link element. For this one, we're going to select the button style. Select the link element. On the Properties panel, click on Class Style Selector. In the drop-down, select Button. We'll need a variation on this button style. Like we can create a button light style by using the Sub Style feature of the Tailwind plugin. This way we can create different variations of a main class style. To create a new substyle, on the Properties panel, click on Inline. Now the pencil icon on the inline will change to Create New Substyle. Click on the pencil icon. In the input field, enter Light. Now we've created a substyle of the button. Light is selected and we can now apply our classes. Go to the Text section. For color, select Indigo 600. For background color, select white. Now for the hover state, select Hover on the pseudo state selector. For background color, select Indigo 200. When you're done, select None for the pseudo state selector. We're done with the call to action section. Now we have to work on the latest work section.